the screw or bolt that holds the housing can be put into the sides of the water pump so that it can push itself away from the block and allow you to pull it out. So that's my new one. The old one is completely stuck, as you can see here. And it's taken me 2 hours until I just found online that I could put bolts into the two sides to help me pry it away. So I'm finally distancing the pump away from the block. Hopefully this helps me pull it out. So that's it. Let's see how it pushed. Allow me to pull it out.